Excuse me, viewers. Today we are going to talk about home food insurance. So get started about that. Insurance for a home-based food services business. If you enjoy coming up with recipes and cooking or baking for others, you may have thought about starting your own business out of your home. After all, what better way to make people happy than to provide a food and drink service? And running it out of your home means little to no overhead, other than the necessary expenses like permits, licensing, and of course insurance. Before you can make that first sale and start turning a profit, you must have the right insurance in place. So let's discuss what that is. Do I need insurance for my home based business? It is a common misconception among many home based business owners that they don't need business insurance because their homeowner's insurance will provide coverage. Unfortunately, that is not the case. Usually, the moment you start to earn an income out of your home, your claims may be excluded by the homeowner's policy. It is important that you always read your insurance policies so you know of these types of exclusions. Some homeowners insurance policies have what is called an incidental business endorsement, which can apply but only on rare oceans and usually when the business does not generate a lot of money. Think of a side business or in home daycare that does not have any employees or a lot of kids. The keyword here is incidental and it has exclusion as well, so if you do attempt to go this route you may be surprised at what you read. What are some of the risks of running a hospitality business? Even though you don't have the same amount of risk as a restaurant or storefront, you do still face a large amount. Being able to manage these risks is essential to your business growth, and one of the easiest and most financially sound ways of doing so is to have the right insurance. First, know the risks of face physical damage. Certainly, one of the first things that come to mind regarding what a food service business will face is fire. And if you are running your business out of your home, that means the place you live could be in danger. You can insure the space you use under a commercial insurance policy so you can repair it without dipping into your profits. Liability. If you are having your clients come to your home, there is a risk of liability by them slipping and falling on your premises. If this happens and they are injured, you could face not only a lawsuit but their medical bills and any other expenses related to the incident. If you are delivering, then you have the exposure of damaging someone else's property, which could also lead to a lawsuit. Illness. Of course, because you are dealing with food, you must consider the fact that food can become contaminated and your customers could get food poisoning. This is especially true with a home based company since there are other people in the home that could damage the food or be sick and spread it through. the food injury. You also need to consider your own injuries that could occur due to working with some equipment that can be dangerous, like knives and fire. Also, if you grow big enough that you have employees, they are at risk for injury as well.